All right, guys. Tim with Huck's Technology Repair and Sales here to show you how to check spark at home. This will work with any lawnmower, weed eater, all that jazz. It's not as complicated as you think. If your mower won't start and or it's losing power, or it's running intermittently, you might want to check the spark plug first. So we're going to show you how to do that. I'm going to pull the spark plug boot off. Your spark plug socket. Now there are a couple different sizes of spark plug sockets. I would like to say that. But most of the time they will be this general size, the bigger ones, I should say. I think it's 3/4, 13/16, and there is also 5/8. Okay, so obviously this plug looks like it has burned some material, but naturally it's firing, you know, thousands of times a minute. So we're gonna stick it back into the boot, and we're just gonna place it right here. Sometimes you can stick it up in between these fins. Okay, now I'll have Brandon focus right there. If you obviously looks like we have spark. So if I were to start diagnosing your guys' mower at home, if it doesn't run, check your fuel, check for water in your fuel. I've got another video on that. But spark plug is not going to be your issue. If you have spark, it's not going to be like the coil is going out or in. It's not intermittent like that. It's either there or it's not. It can be faint. If that's the case, then it will probably be the plug. But if you have spark, you should be good to go. Again, this is just a super short video of how any homeowner, even with no help, you can still check the spark by yourself, whether you use a mirror or something like that. I know you can even go like this and just pull the rope from here, you know, but your blade breaks on, so you could take a piece of rope or something and tie it around here like this, just so your blade brake is tied off. That's the thing that makes it easy to pull the rope. Then you can just hold the spark plug here and just see, yeah, I have spark or I don't have spark. It's easier if you're pulling the rope faster, but like I said, any homeowner could do this. So that's how you check for spark.